Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the reading screen controls on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the More tab by pressing on the More button on the bottom right. Then we're going to go to Settings, go to Reading Settings, and then scroll down. And here we have all of the controls that we have. So there's this one is turned on by default. So page back is this side of the screen, page forward is this side of the screen, the reading menu is the middle. You can also have this one where the menu is just this little section right here, and the other parts of the screen are the arrows, and just whatever it shows you right here is how it's gonna work. So just select the option that's most comfortable for you, and once you've done that, you can just exit out and your settings will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.